Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets, numbers and shapes. First we use light green color. The next one is red color. Now we use yellow color. Kids, the next one is black color. And now we use green color. The next one is blue color. Now we start coloring and draw. First we draw the letter of A, and now we use light green color. A for ant, A for apple. Now we use light green color and draw the letter of A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. Now we use red color. Now we use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. We again use red color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. Now we draw 2. The number of 2. T-W-O, 2. The next one is 3. Now we use yellow color. Now we use yellow color and draw the number of 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5. Kids, now we draw the number of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of square. We again use yellow color and draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we use black color and draw the shape of circle. Now we use black color. The shape of circle, and the next one is triangle. Now we draw triangle. Kids, now we use green color. Now we draw the shape of triangle, and the next one is heart. Now we draw the shape of heart and use blue color. the shape of heart. The next one is star. But now we draw the shape of heart. Wow! Now we draw the shape of star and use red color. We again use red color and draw the shape of star. Kids, subscribe to our channel. We again use red color. Kids, today we draw square, circle, triangle, heart, star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, and E. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.